Right, so today we're going to make a draw knife out of this thing. I found this in a field. It was attached to a trailer, but there's another one somewhere. So first of all, we're going to get the stuff we don't want off it. It's an old leaf spring of some description. And we'll see how it goes from there. But yeah, let's give it a go. Right. So, kind of not too bad. Surprised. Well, not really, but. So, we do have a bit of it, it's a bit fat up here and then like really skinny down here. Right, so there, 6, that's the centre line. Ish. It's all very ish. And we're 4 inch either side of that. I've never squashed this and made it long and pointy before. Not that much anyway. So it's going to be interesting to do. And also going to make this profile. So just going to mark these a bit. Cut that off. And then make it warm in here. At last. So freezing. April! It's still cold. Right, so now the steel's all hot, we're going to draw the tangs out. It's going to take loads of heats to get it thin. I want that to be like ½ an inch thick rather than 2 inches that it already is, so it's a lot of drawing out. It's going to take a while, but we'll get there in the end, and we'll see you on the other side. Right, so this next bit is me grinding the profile of the blade in to the knife. I've got to take a lot of metal all the way back off to that line. I'm basically going to turn it from that line up into a triangle. And then it should be ready for quenching, which is usually the more exciting bit of the whole process. Right, so I did do like a proper talking and pointing and thing bit here. However, I left the forge on in the background and you literally can't hear a word I say. So, I'm talking about getting the handles bent down to the right angle in proportion to the blade now before we do the quenching, so that you don't have to reheat the blade or that little point there to bend it all down without having the risk of ruining your quench. And this bit, I have bent it down. I forgot to record it. There's a bit in a minute where I haven't, but I'm showing how you can see all the different temperatures or colours of metal that there are whenever you heat something up at one end, and it's all shiny and stuff. So anyway, back to hitting things with hammers. Right, here we're getting the blade ready for quenching. I've got one of the tangs out so I can grab hold of it later, but got the edge pointing up into the hottest bit of the forge. I've got 2 burners on rather than the one I was using earlier, and it's looking very toasty in there. Right, so as you can probably have guessed, this quench didn't go particularly to plan. I fannied around a little bit too much and didn't get the blade in the plastic bowl quick enough. So here's a metal one. I get to do it again. But you can watch the heat go into the oil as it's cooling, which is quite cool. Right, so that's the end of this video, or near enough. We've got a hardened blank of draw knife, pretty much ready to go. We just need to put some handles on it, which is in the next video, which will be linked somewhere around here when I eventually put it up. And we will see you there, hopefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the other stuff that goes on that you say at the end of a YouTube video. Anyway, see you next time.